She wants to know, why do Muslim men rarely smile? Is it prohibited in Quran to smile? Only men. Is it okay?
Sister asked that why do Muslim men rarely smile? Sister, I am a Muslim man. And you can see a white smile on my face. MashaAllah, I can see many men out here. I can't see the ladies. So I cannot tell ladies are smiling or not now. At least the men in front of me, most of them are smiling, MashaAllah. You know, it may be maybe the picture they see on the television, on BBC and CNN, Muslim with gun, wearing a turban, terrorist. So maybe she's seeing too many, maybe movies of Hollywood, or maybe Bollywood, or maybe watching these channels. But MashaAllah, see here I'm giving a religious talk. I'm smiling, and hope you can see on the screen. And even the Muslim men, MashaAllah, here are smiling. So it is a misconception. It's a misconception that if you're religious, then you can't enjoy life. If you are religious, you can enjoy life, but enjoy it according to the commandments of our Creator. Don't enjoy in the wrong way. People think if you want to enjoy life, you have to have wine, women and wealth. It's a misconception. Wine is not required. The woman floating around is haram. Yes, woman as a wife, legal life, with permission of the Creator, no problem, enjoy. Therefore the Quran says in Surah Rum chapter 30 verse 21, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put love and mercy between the hearts of the husband and wife. Wealth also, you enjoy wealth in the right way. So sister, in Islam, nowhere does the Quran say that you should not smile, you should not laugh. Yes, the Quran says do not laugh at others. Quran says in Surah Hujurat chapter 49, verse number 9, 10 and 11, that let not one group of men laugh at the others. You may never know that the former may be better than the latter. Don't let one group of women laugh at the other. You may never know that the latter may be better than the former. So laughing and mocking at others is haram, it's prohibited. But laughing with others is permitted. So don't laugh at others, laugh with others.